What is hybrid IT? In simple terms, it means we work alongside your existing IT team. It means your internal IT team keeps doing what they do best, while we support, strengthen, and scale alongside them.
At WheelHouse IT, we don't replace your team, we partner with them. Our hybrid IT model blends your in-house expertise with our enterprise-level tools, strategy, and support.
The result? One unified team working towards your goals, with the flexibility to grow as your business evolves.
With hybrid IT, you get scalable solutions without overbuilding, cost control and predictable budgeting, flexibility to adapt to change, a healthier workload for your internal IT team.
Perfect for businesses juggling compliance, legacy systems, or remote teams, hybrid IT lets you keep what works while building for the future.
And unlike others, we don't chase trends. We create hybrid IT solutions that are rooted in your business goals and built to last.
WheelHouse IT, hybrid IT, built for partnership, designed for results, better together.